I'd like to take this time to welcome you all back to another episode of my trucking channel. And check this out. Unbelievable. How do you not see a big truck in front of you where you had to slam into the back of it? In this video, we're going to be examining when truck drivers wreck or truck drivers truck crashes. And as you can see, some of these crashes are involving four-wheelers also. I am your host, John Schaff, and this is my trucking channel. And do you not know this is a parking lot for four-wheelers? And he's pulling a flatbed. Yeah, we got a truck fire. Wow. I guess he don't realize his vehicle is on fire. That looks like somebody slammed into the back of a big rig. I am the host, John Schaff. I'd like to welcome you guys back to another episode of my trucking channel. And in this channel, we will be examining why a big truck or semi crashes. The reason why they're behind the crashes of the big semi trucks. Besides just being a bonehead truck driver, sometimes they have a legitimate reason about, or at least something that was under control, or why he crashed. Such as bad weather, fatigue, or just being cut off by a four-wheeler, or you're being just cut off by no big truck. Believe it or not, it does happen. Wow. Winter months seem to be the most dangerous months for the new drivers in the trucking industry. They're not having the experience of driving in the snow and ice. You can easily jackknife your vehicle and get into a serious accident. If you're heavy enough, if your load is heavy enough, you're gonna stay on the road as long as you don't do anything stupid like abrupt steering or braking or something like that. You pretty safe if you got a heavy load. And if you're driving with you have Jake brakes, you turn your Jake brakes down and in a low position, so that the Jake brake doesn't cause your vehicle to jackknife. If you have your Jake brakes on, yeah, you can. You have it in high, because Jake brakes come in high, medium, and low, or either A, B, C. A being the highest and C being the lowest. If you have it on high and you're in the snow and ice, that's a strong possibility of jackknifing that truck. So you should always have it in low when you're on snow and ice, and you should also have your differential engaged. I was a truck driver myself for 20 years. I drove a big rig. I drove 18 speed long nose Peterbilt. Again, I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my trucking channel. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. Wow. Boy, dude, he took that tractor out. It's going too fast. And this is what happens. When you got all heavy load, guys and girls, making a turn, you need to slow down. That load will shift on you, and you will roll over. This guy rolled over on the curb. Wow. Like he was saying, how did that happen? Check this guy out. I can only imagine how scary that is. Wow. Wow. Wow, I never seen anything like this before. When big trucks crash. You're viewing another episode of my trucking channel. And I'm the host, John Shaft. Look out. Too fast in the curve. Yeah, you're a disaster waiting to happen. Unbelievable. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, I think I'll take my nap. Me, doggy. I think the brakes ain't working. Oops, somebody forgot to tie down the trailer. Whoop, there goes the cargo. You can't pick that up and put it back on the trailer. Wow. Here we go, another one of these wows. This is the case of Dumb and Dumber. They're trying to hold down this truck, keep him from rolling over. Yeah, you gotta be freaking kidding me. You think you might have put too much weight or cargo on the back of it? Wow. Look out. Here we go. So somebody got to let down the bed of the truck. I think it might be a good time here to hit the brakes if they work. I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of my trucking channel. And I'm the host, John Shaft. Boy, check this out. Unfreaking believable. Wow, check this out. And you are viewing another episode of my trucking channel. And I'm the host, John Shaft. Uh-oh, look out, he in trouble. Wow. Look out. He on roller skates. Oh man, this can't be good. This cannot be good. Look at this idiot here. A bonehead truck driver. You gotta be freaking kidding me. What this guy about to pull. There you go. He just got the pass. This is a swift driver. I think it's real. You got to be kidding me. Oh boy. Ah, damn. I hate trying to squeeze in. Oh boy. Unbelievable, JB Hunt. This is Bone here. What is he trying to do? You do not want to play with big trucks when you're on the road, people. It's fool here. It takes the size of 2 football fields to stop a loaded semi truck. They cannot stop, and you do not want to do what this idiot here is doing. You're putting your life in somebody else's hand when you do so. Now you're on the cell phone. Look at this one. He just pulled it right out there in front of the truck. And then he gets a brake check. Calls his driver and go into the lane. Wow. You guys see that? Oh, we got old Warner. He must be sleeping or something. He just came over on that driver. Wow. And what this one's doing? He's doing a brake check on his Tesla. Well, let's see. Let me just park right here in the middle of the highway and mess up traffic. Amazon. Yee, look at here. Unbelievable, boy. And there he goes. Wow. You see, guys, you guys see that? Unbelievable. I want to check this out. She cuts his big truck off. And she look at the mirror like this, like she didn't know what she was doing. And then turn around and get in the finger. Ain't that something? What the heck? What? What? Unbelievable, boy, what you see out on the road. Here's one of these fools done, doing a brake check. What in the world he think he doing with this pickup truck? Check this idiot out. Apparently somebody, he done took out some tires or something. And then he plows into these other vehicles. Oh, I get it now. He's running from the police. Wow. Oops. Whoops. I don't blame this driver. I'll keep going too. But it looks like he's going to stop. Unbelievable the stupidity of some people out here on these roads. Wow. That fool, that looked like he was on the track. I think he might be getting a really big ticket here. Look out, coming too fast. Ooh, wow. Wow. Well, I thought that was a good parking spot. Wow. Whoop, too fast. There you go. Whoops. Wow. I thought that telegram pole was gonna get out of my way. But that's a sinkhole. Smash, bang, crack them up and pull them back again. See what this bonehead truck is gonna do. Oh, I thought that was all ramp. Unbelievable. Okay, did you not see this big train? Wow. Some of these four-wheelers just as stupid and dumb as some of the truck drivers. There we go. That wasn't supposed to be there. And you guys check out this next clip. Military vehicle. One coming up right after this one. Military vehicle side is going to make himself a turn. And as he turned too fast, and his cargo that he was hauling come off of the tractor. I mean off of the trailer. Now check this out. There you go. Yeah. Now how you gonna explain that to their army? That you left their tank in the middle of the highway after you turned and it come off a trailer. Wow. Swift. No, not Swift again. Oh, bonehead Swift. He on the railroad tracks. What the hell? Wow. Let's try to beat this train. Wow, check this guy out. Whoop, 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 whoop. Bonehead truck driver of the week. Wow. Don't mind me coming here up the road, just turn in front of me. Wow. Somebody need to stop this tow truck and let me He left his cargo behind. Yeah. Woo. Wow. Look at this idiot. Oh, his own car went over here. Wow. That must be one of them Teslas. No driver's cars. Wow. I don't see what this idiot gonna do. Whoa! I didn't see that one coming. This can't be good. What were they thinking? Wow. Whoops. Oopsie daisy. Let me see if I can get on this low pass. I think I can make it. Wow. Gas on it, gas on it, gas on it, gas on it. Uh-oh. Ran out of gas. Oh, you're doomed for a crash, dude. Doomed for a crash, driver. Yeah, another idiot on the tracks. Wow, wide open. Let's play Willis. Let me hook up to something, see can I pull this big wig with my little tow truck. Unbelievable stupidities on people. Sooner or later, the transmission or either the portal will give out, and you just rather realize, I don't think this was too good an idea. And then it's a loaded flatbed, so you know he heavy. Wow, check this out. This is a train? Oh yeah, I know about it. I guess it's just one of the sunroof in his trailer here. Like wildlife on the railroad tracks. Train coming here should have stopped for me. Unbelievable. Now the idiot going up on a low pass. They have the markings there for a reason, guys. You need to learn how to read those markings. And you need to know what size your trailer is. Because he busting a U-turn on 2-lane road. A big 53-foot trailer. Are you freaking kidding me? Let me see can I pass across this pond without flooding out my truck. They got a new system here. I think it's a boat too. Whoops, I don't think I'm going to make it. Well, he made it. That means you gotta try. I can make it too. Oh, here come a third one. This is John Shaft. This is my trucking channel. Thank you for watching.